Hello guys, welcome back to Rukia's Kitchen. Today I'll be showing you how to cook a lamb steak perfectly. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please kindly do so you don't get to miss any of my videos each and every week. Then stay tuned and enjoy my recipe. Ingredients: you will need about 1 teaspoon of cayenne pepper. You will need 1 teaspoon of curry powder, 1 teaspoon of black pepper, a bit of oregano leaves, salt to taste, lamb steak or any other steak, a half a lemon, and ginger garlic paste about 1 tablespoon. First step, you'll clean your steak and dry your steak with a clean cloth. Then sprinkle black pepper on both sides about 1 teaspoon, curry powder about 1 teaspoon, cayenne pepper about 1 teaspoon, salt to taste, then sprinkle a bit of oregano leaves. Then you'll squeeze a half a lemon to add an extra amazing taste to the steak. And lastly, add 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste and spread the ingredients all around the steak very nice. Make sure you have spread the spices all around the steak, then cover and let it marinate for about 30 minutes. After 30 minutes of marination, place your pan on a medium heat and add 4 tablespoons of butter. Let the butter melt and heat up a bit, and you'll add the steak in and cook the steak in a medium heat so that it can bake inside slowly by slowly. Then turn your steak on the other side and let it cook for about 3 minutes in a medium heat, slowly by slowly. After 5 to 6 minutes, increase the fire a bit and cook the steak on both sides for another 1 to 2 minutes till well baked and slightly brown color. Once your steak is well baked and it has this amazing color, then your lamb steak is ready and serve on a plate. You can serve your steak with some paper sauce, salad, with fries, or any way you prefer, and enjoy your steak. Thank you for watching my video and hope you loved it. And if you want to see other recipes, I'll put the links in the description box. And if you have any questions, you can comment down below, or you can follow me on my social media, Facebook and Instagram, for further questions. And thank you once again. Bye bye.